let's come to page number 13. Try these exercises. It has two questions. How many milligram will make 1 kilogram, right? So we know 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams and 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. So what will happen? 1 kilogram will be equal to 1000 grams है and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. तो ग्राम की जगह हम लिख देंगे 1000 milligram. Right? So what will happen? 3 zeros here, 3 zeros here. So we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put the comma. 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000. So 10 lakh milligram makes 1 kilogram. Simple. Now let's see the next question. It says we have 2 lakh tablets of 20 milligram each. So we have to find the total weight in grams and kilograms. Let's see how many tablets we have. 2 lakh tablets and each weighs 20 mg. Right? So अगर हम इन दोनों को multiply करें, each tablet is weighing 20 milligram. How many tablets we have? 2 lakh. So we'll multiply them. We'll get the weight in milligram because each tablet is weighing 20. So 2 lakh will weigh how much? Each into 20 milligram. So we'll multiply that. We'll get 40 lakh milligram. So now we have this answer in milligram. What did we say here? 1000 milligrams means 1 gram. So if we have to convert this into grams and kilograms, how will we do? 40 lakh milligrams and 1000 milligram means 1 gram, right? So here for 1000 milligram we'll write 1 gram. We'll divide this by 1000. Getting? Let me do clearly. We have 40 lakh milligrams which we have to convert in grams, right? Now we know 1000 milligram is equals to 1 grams. So 1 milligram is equals to 1 divided by 1000 grams. So 40 lakh milligram will become how much? 40 lakh divided by 1000 grams. 3 zeros, 3 zeros. We are remain with 4000 grams. Right? Also, we know 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg. So 1 gram will become 1 upon 1000 kg. Now what we have here? 4000 grams. If we multiply 4000 in both sides, we'll write 4000 gram is equals to 4000 divided by 1000, which means 4 kg. So these are answers in. We have 40 lakh mg. So 40 lakh mg को हम grams में कैसे convert करेंगे? We know 1000 mg is equals to 1 gram. 1 mg becomes 1000 goes down 1 upon 1000 grams. We write in fraction. Now यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितने mg हैं? 40 lakh. We are multiplying here with 40 lakh. I missed a step. 40 lakh mg. Both side हमने 40 lakh से multiply कर दिया. That becomes 40 lakh divided by 1000 grams. 3 zeros cancel with 3 zeros. We are left with 4000 grams. Now 4000 grams को हमें किसमें convert करना है? kg में. 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg. So 1 gram becomes 1 divided by 1000. In the fraction form, 1000 will go down. both side will multiply with 4000 because we have 4000 grams. 4000 grams equals to 4000 divided by 1000, 3 zeros goes 4 kg. So our answers is 4000 grams and 4 kg. Okay, so let's start with the next try these box. On page number 13, for which the reference diagram has been given on page number 14. This is a journey diagram given for a bus which started from A, it went to B, then C, then D, E, F, G, and then came back to A. So now what we have to do in first part is we have to calculate the journey from A to D. How do the bus reach from A to D? A to B, then B to C, C to D. This is how the path has been taken. There is no direct path for A to D. So we have no direct distance. How do we calculate the distance? How much the bus has travelled from A to B, B to C, C to D. So A to D will become AB distance plus BC distance plus C to D distance, which is what? A to B is 4170 kilometers plus 3410 kilometers plus C to D is 2160 kilometers. We'll add the three of them. 0, 6 and 7, 14, 9. So 9740 kilometer is the answer. Right? Now the next part says we have to calculate the journey from D to G. Again, D to G there is no direct path. So how do we calculate? Bus goes from D to E, E to F, then F to G. So D to G becomes DE path plus E to F plus F to G. What are the distances? 8140 plus 4830 plus 2550. Let's add 8140 so this becomes 15,520 kilometer. It's simple addition. बहुत hard and fast कुछ नहीं है. Simply you just have to add them. Right? A to D, AB plus BC plus CD. Then for D to G, DE, EF and FG. Now the third part says we have to find the path from A to A. What does that mean? That the bus started from A and it ended its journey at A. So it travelled from A to B, B to C, C to D, E, then to F, then to G and back to A point where it started. So the total journey will be all the paths. So how do we calculate? A to B plus B to C plus C to D plus D to E plus E to F plus F to G and then G to A. All the journey, all the paths, right? So what do we have here? 4170 plus 3410 plus 2160 plus 8140 plus 4830 plus 2550, 2550 and 1290. So when we'll add all these kilometers, we'll get the sum to be 26,550 kilometers. It's simple addition, nothing so difficult. So A to A means all the path covered by the bus and coming back to A. Now the fourth next part says we have to find the difference between C to D path and D to E path, right? As per this diagram, C to D path is what? 2160 kilometers and D to E path is what? 8140 kilometers, 8140. Now, which number is the bigger? These both are 4-digit numbers. Let's compare the highest power. 8 is bigger than 2. That means D2E distance is bigger than C2D distance. So, we'll subtract this from this. So, 8140 minus 2160. What will we get? 5,980 kilometers. Right? So, the difference between C to D and D to E part is 8,140 is bigger. So, we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. This is the difference. So, we get 5,980 kilometers. The fifth part has 4 parts in itself. It says we have to find the time calculated by the bus if it goes from A to B. The speed that has been given to us is 60 km per hour. We know the basic formula for speed. Speed is equals to distance upon time. So we have to find the time. That means distance upon speed. Right? Now A to B we have to calculate. What is the distance for A to B? 4170 km divided by what is the speed? 60 km per hour. Now this 0 goes with 0. 417 when we divide by 6. 40 doesn't go. 36 by 6. We are left with 57. 54 goes. 54 is 9. Right? So we are left with the remainder 3. What is 3? If we say, we write this in fraction form, what will happen? It will be written as 69 3 by 6. Right? This is how we will write the division. Now 3 by 6 again will go half. So this becomes 69 and half. We have all done fractions, right? इसको multiply करेंगे हमारा वापस यही form आ जाएगा. So this becomes 69 hours and 30 minutes. How? What is half? This is we are calculating here in hours. The distance is kilometer, speed in kilometer and hour. So whatever time we are getting, this is in hours. So what is half hour? How many minutes make 1 hour? We have 30 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 30 minutes make half hour. So 69 and half. 69 hours and 30 minutes. Now, जैसे we calculated for A to B, now the second part says to calculate from C to D. C to D का हमारा distance कितना है? 2160. So time is equals to distance upon speed. That means 2160 kilometer divided by 60 kilometer per hour. 0 goes with 0 and 216 divided by 6 will be 36 hours. So this is your answer for B part, 36 hours. Okay. Now let's come to the C part, E to G. Now E to G is no direct path. So what we have to calculate, the total distance is from E to F and F to G. So total distance becomes 4830, that is E to F plus F to G, that is 2550, which means 7,380 kilometers. Now the time will be this distance divided by 60 kilometer per hour. 0 goes with 0. Let's see if this divides completely or we have a 738 divided by 6. 123. So 123 hours is the answer. For E to G, the total distance is from E to F, F to G. That means 4830 plus 2550. We add them, we get 7380. We divide it by distance upon speed. That is how we calculate time. So divided by 60, we divided by 60, we got 123 hours. Last part of this question, it says we have to find the time calculated for the total journey. What do we mean by total journey? The bus started from A, it moved to B, C, D, E, F, G and then comes back to A. So this is the total journey. It started from A, it ended at A. So what is the total journey? A to B plus B to C plus C to D plus D to E plus E to F plus F to G plus G to back A. Now if you remember in the third part, this is what we calculated as the total distance from A to A, which was 26,550 kilometers. So this is the total distance of the total journey, right? So time will be again distance upon speed, which is 26,550 kilometer divided by 60 kilometer per hour. 0 goes with 0. Let's divide. Now we got 442 3 by 6. Now 3 by 6 again becomes half. So we got 442 and half. That means 442 hours 30 minutes. This is our answer. This is the time taken for the total journey. What was the total distance from A, starting with A, ending with A? That was the total distance 26,550 divided by 60 km per hour. When we divide by 6, we get a remainder of 3. 3 by 6 becomes half. So 442 hours and 30. Okay. So now question number 2 on page number 14 given है. यहाँ पे ये दो tables दी हुई हैं हमें. इस केस में यहाँ पे हमें दिया हुआ है कुछ हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिनकी कॉस्ट दी हुई है पर केजी, और मतलब व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट फॉर 1 यूनिट, राइट. एप्पल्स हैं, ऑरेंजेस हैं, यूजुअली केजीज में होते हैं तो इनका पर केजी प्राइस दिया हुआ है. बाकी सब चीज़ें यूनिट्स में होती हैं, 1 2 3 नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स. सो प्राइस फॉर 1 हैज बीन गिवन एंड इन द सेकंड टेबल क्वांटिटी हैज बीन गिवन टू अस. कितने केजी एप्पल्स हैं, कितने केजी ऑरेंजेस हैं, कितने कोम्स हैं, कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं, व्हाट इज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ ईच ऑफ द यूनिट्स. Now let's come to the questions. A part says what is the weight of apples in kgs. Total weight कितना है apples का. Now हमें दिया हुआ है quantities in this table. So what is the weight of apples? ये हमें यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 2,457 kgs. That is the weight of apples. Weight of oranges कितना है? यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे टेबल में oranges के सामने 3,004. इन सारे क्वेश्चंस के लिए हमें इन टेबल्स का रेफरेंस यूज करना है, राइट. सो 3004 इज फॉर ऑरेंजेस. और द टोटल वेट ऑफ एप्पल एंड ऑरेंजेस कितना हो जाएगा? वेट ऑफ एप्पल्स प्लस वेट ऑफ ऑरेंजेस. सो दैट विल बिकम 2457 प्लस 3004 which is what? 645. So 5,461 kgs. That is the total weight of apples and oranges, right? Now the second part says, can you find the total money got by selling apples? Now for one apple, or rather let's say 1 kg. 1 kg apple की कॉस्ट कितनी है? यहाँ पे हमें दी हुई है 40 रुपीज 40. Now हाउ मेनी केजी एप्पल्स, टोटल एप्पल्स कितने हैं हमारे पास, टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ एप्पल्स इज, यहाँ पे हमें क्वांटिटी दी हुई है 2457 kgs. सो टोटल मनी कितना हो गया हमारे पास, टोटल मनी अर्नड बाय सेलिंग एप्पल्स विल बी टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ एप्पल्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच एप्पल केजी. यहाँ हमारे पास एक केजी एप्पल की कॉस्ट 40 दी हुई है एंड टोटल हमारे पास 2457 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स हैं. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, 0 7 28 22 9,280 rupees. Sorry, 98,280 rupees will be the total cost by selling apples. Now, C part says we have to find the total money got by selling apples and oranges. Now, money by selling apples. ये हमने इसे प्रीवियस पार्ट में निकाल लिया, विच इज व्हाट 98,280. ये हमने एप्पल्स का कॉस्ट निकाल लिया, टोटल नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स, टोटल केजी ऑफ एप्पल्स इनटू द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg एप्पल. नाउ हमें निकालना है सेम चीज फॉर ऑरेंजेस. ऑरेंजेस की पर केजी कॉस्ट कितनी है हमारी, 30 रुपीज. टोटल वेट ऑफ ऑरेंजेस कितना है हमारा, 3004 kg. सो द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑरेंजेस कितनी हो गई, 3004 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 30, 90,120, right? So now the total cost by selling apples and oranges, वो कितनी हो जाएगी, जो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ एप्पल्स है और जो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑरेंजेस है, दैट मीन्स 98,280 प्लस 90,120, विच इज व्हाट 1,88,400 rupees. Simple addition. Now in D part they are saying we have to make a table और सबकी रिस्पेक्टिव हमें टोटल कॉस्ट निकालनी है. अभी हमने एप्पल्स की निकाली थी, एप्पल्स की हमारी कितनी आई थी 98,280, राइट. ऑरेंजेस की हमने निकाली थी, वो हमारी कितनी आई थी 90,120. अब ऐसे ही जो बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनकी भी हमें कॉस्ट निकालनी है टोटल. वैसे ही सिंपल प्रोसीजर. कोम्स कितने हैं हमारे 22,760, कॉस्ट फॉर वन इज 3, तो टोटल कितनी हो गई 22,760 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3. ऐसे ही टूथब्रश 25,367, 25,367 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10, कॉस्ट फॉर वन टूथब्रश इज 10. पेंसिल्स 38,530 multiplied by 1. Notebooks 40,002 multiplied by 6. Soap cakes 20,005 multiplied by 8. Right? Let's solve them. यहाँ पे टूथब्रश में मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 है, सीधा यहाँ पे हमारा 0 लग जाएगा. ये मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 है, दिस विल रिमेन सेम. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6, so it will be 6 to the 12, 0, 0, 6 4s are 24. So it will become 24, 0, 0, 12. Similarly यहाँ पे 40, 0, 0, 16. 40. बस ये रहेगा 0, 6, 3, 18, 21, 22, 8 and 6, 6, 8, 2, 8. So we'll take each quantity multiplied with the unit cost and we'll get the total cost for that product. Right? ये सारे numbers हमारे सामने आ गए हैं. Now let's put the commas. ये हो गए 98,000, 90,000, 68. This is 2,53,000, 38,000, 2,40,000 and 1,60,000. Now we are also asked which is the greatest value. ये 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit. This is 6 digit number, 5 digit, again 6 digit, 6 digit. तीन 6 digit numbers है हमारे पास, जो 5 digits है वो by default छोटे हो गए. 6 digit numbers में highest power compare करेंगे 2, 2, 1. 1 छोटा है, we'll drop this one. Now 2 and 2 के बाद next highest power क्या है? 5 and 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So this is the highest number. So that means जो highest value है वो हमारी टूथब्रश की है, that is 2,53,670. Now arranging them in descending order, सबसे highest value हमारी ये है, so 2,53,670. Then second highest कौन सी थी? ये वाली नोटबुक वाली हमारी 6 digit number में 240,012. उसके बाद 6 digit number 160,40, 1,60,040. अब जो 5 digit numbers बचे थे हमारे, उसके अंदर 3, 6, 9 and 9. 9 and 9 are highest, और 9 उसके बाद कौन सा है? 8 and 0. So 98,000 वाला highest है, 98,280. Then 90,120. उसके बाद 68,280. एंड लास्ट में सबसे लोएस्ट 38,530. सो अरेंजिंग दीज इन द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. हाईएस्ट कौन सा है हमारा? टूथब्रश की कॉस्ट है, और ये बाकी सारी कॉस्ट हमने डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज